Hey guys, welcome back. It's another Soul Status Quick Hitter. Chris, Mike, Moose, we are back once again. Today, we are talking about the Yeezy 500 Enflame. Alright, as always, guys, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified when these videos go live, and let's get right into it. The Enflame came out for a price of $200. Now, if you know me, I've never been a really big fan of the 500. It doesn't look right on me. Like, I'm cool with the whole dad shoe vibe and aesthetic. This one never really fit me, but I like the color blocking on this shoe. Enflame, you're supposed to think of fire, obviously, with the orange coming into the brown, with the blue. The blue hits all the way up at the top.
For a second, I thought you were going to say you liked it and that you would wear this.
I don't think it would.
For a second, you got me fooled.
I don't think it would look right on me. Like, I've tried a bunch of different 500s.
Yeah.
They never just look right on me. To me. And that's kind of most important.
Even though all black, utility black?
Utility blacks, nope.
I like it.
I don't know what it is, because, you know, I love Yeezys, and I beg for a new...
I love the 500 series. I don't know if I like this color as much as I would if it was on the 700s. You know how the 700s have been coming out with this orange bottom and the blues and whatnot. For some reason, on the 500 looks fucking ugly. Still stylish, still probably going to be hot in LA and in the West Coast area. And they're not really reselling for much, maybe around $300, $340.
Yeah, that's not bad.
It's not.
I think it'll be hot here. I think it kind of gives like fall vibes.
It does.
I don't know. What do you think?
I really like that they brought back the this material here on the ovals.
netting.
Like the netting, yeah.
Yeah, because before when they were doing that like sort of wetsuit material, they lost me a little bit.
Yeah.
I really do like that they're starting to play with some of the colors of these older Yeezy models. I'm also not the biggest fan of the 500 model in terms of comfort. I feel like these rounded parts of the shoe are just, to me, they're just not the most comfortable. I think they look really cool on foot though.
Yeah.
And I can appreciate the shoe. There's some really nice materials on here. Everything from the suede and the leathers to, like we were talking about, the netting. I don't know. It's not a cop for me, but I can appreciate it.
Yeah, that was nice.
I like how Yeezy's going back to like using really good materials, kind of on everything except for 350s. So I know he's just trying to drive those prices down, but all the 700s have had really nice materials. Like those creams I have, for that to be a $240 shoe coming down from the $300 price range, I think it's still fire. Like that leather's thick. It's something like, it's a really good shoe. I think the same thing here. Materials are nice enough. It's still a no for me. Like, I couldn't wear it, but that's just because me and 500s don't get jiggy like that. And I kind of agree with what you said. Boost is still more comfortable than Adiprene and Ortholite. Just is what it is.
There's another interesting thing about this release in particular is that I've noticed that there's a lot more stores that are getting these. Whereas like before, I felt like 500, 700s, slides, they were online only usually, or a handful of tier 0 stores, but these were on apps for like Finish Line, I think Foot Locker, a handful of other stores, even like small mom and pop shops that hold Adidas accounts got their hands on these. I also noticed that slides are available on raffles.
Yeah.
I saw Foot Locker got a decent amount of them.
Really?
Yeah, and I think that might be why the price is kind of like low right now on slides. I've seen pairs, you know, priced between like even around $160 when they were just selling for like 400, 350, 400. So
lots of pairs out there.
I mean, I think it's awesome that you know, that the quantity is going up, because then people who actually want the shoe, you know, can get it for a better price.
Yeah, we don't spend $500 on that.
Yeah, I mean, it takes away a little bit from the exclusivity, but I don't really mind, because you're still not going to see everybody wearing this shoe. It's definitely going to be like a particular person that messes with these colors and has the right fit for them. It's definitely not something that you wear every day.
Yeah.
Absolutely not. Well, let us know what you think about those down in the comments. As always, please like, share, subscribe, and we will be back with more.